Yeah, so today, so this has been my second photo event. The first one I used it more for video generation. I made like an ASMR video for like my 3-year-old niece. So the first workshop I used it for like a video kind of like animation clips to upload straight on YouTube. So that was my first photo build. This second time I was really impressed since the first event how many other models have been integrated into Fotor AI. I've never used Kling, for example, so that was one I was really curious about, especially after Laurent's demo, using that for that sort of hyper-realism aspect. So I actually went to the launch of ByteDance's new AI platform Tray last weekend, and I built a music tool. So I used Fotor today to build a demo for the tool that I made at Hackathon last week. So it was really useful, but yeah, it was a lot of tokens. Still learning. I think everybody's learning. I think everyone's in the same boat with AI. I feel like I've only been doing this since December, so it's about 3 months.
Very steep learning curve.
Yeah, a lot of experimentations, a lot of just going to events like this is really helpful because it almost forces me to be like, not forced, but like gives me like, this is what everyone is doing. And then it gives me inspiration to be like, oh, I can do this too, but I can use maybe this model or, you know, different techniques and stuff like that. So yeah.
Well, my final thoughts. Yeah, it's really cool. I enjoyed, the experience. The event was really nice, and yeah, it's nice to see, companies that are based, in London, what they're doing, and it's cool to do these kinds of events in general. I was thinking it's so nice to build community in this way where you organize some things, show them the product, and let people, we met today. So
no, we're definitely gonna catch up for a coffee very soon.
Exactly.
Especially now he's got these credits. No, I mean honestly, I think it's a cool event, and you guys are really nice and friendly and warm, and everyone. What I really like about this structure of these kind of events is they're like productivity based, which is what I really like. As I like to get results. I mean, I did come in with a specific goal in mind. I didn't get that goal, but I did learn quite a lot. And I think that's just how AI and just the way the current journey is. Like for me as a person, I value learning more than anything. So I may not hit the goal, but I may have I've learned a lot about photo, how to prompt, and I just can't wait to go home and start actually playing with it. I don't care if I buy more credits, that's okay. But it's more about how far can I take this to make my time free up in the future? And that's where the learning is key for me. It's like before I can even think about the money, or which I think everyone does think about the money and the revenue and the productivity. Is there's I think it's a law. It's called Parkinson's law, which is like prioritize knowledge, then money will follow. I may be wrong, but that is a law. It's an actual law. And I'm seeing that a lot of companies that prioritize learning, like learning how the model behaves, learning how users interact with this, they get a lot of success. And it's the same for me. I want to learn about these tools so that I can have more time in my life to spend with loved ones, go for coffees, ask for more credits, just do stuff that I want. If I want to be a DJ, I can, because my AI agents are posting content for me, and they're using Photo API, and I don't have to do anything. There's some tasks in my personal life that I've eliminated. I will never ever send an invoice again. I have an AI agent that does it. I just send the details, like, yo, send this invoice to this person, and they do it. It would be cool to have an AI agent like Fotor. So yeah, and I think that maybe there should be more of these community events where it's like, hey, what is a specific thing that people want to do? Do you want to specifically focus on generating like image assets for Instagram? And here's some successful prompts that we did that gave us this kind of quality. There's a lot of stuff that you can literally play around with, and the way I see it is like Fotor is like this AI playground with all these different models that you could select and all these different parameters, and the possibilities are literally endless, right? And that's why, as a person, you want to learn how could I use this in the best, most efficient way. And a lot of it is, you're gonna, burn tokens, burn money, but hey, when the compound growth of these learnings is what's gonna get you the result that you want. So again, I didn't hit my goal today, which is to build a fully autonomous social media agent. but very soon I will, very soon. And I've met you guys, lovely team, and met Alex, met a few other people who for sure we're gonna have coffees, and maybe some people might even turn into Hey Salad users, who knows.